Today, I'm also going to review two things. The first thing is Karan beef boerewors that I bought at Food Lovers Market for $109.99. That's how it looks. As I say, it's only in the taste. It's nice, but it's a bit salty. I rate this wors a 7.8 out of 10. And then the Denmark cheddar cheese that I bought at Checkers Hyper for $114.99 for 850 gram. So that's what it looks like here, guys. Actually, also better. I rate the cheese out of 10. Thanks, guys. Love you till next time. Let me just show you quickly what I made myself for dinner. Wors, tomato, jalapenos, lettuce, and also that cheese. And some Steers barbecue sauce. So, I cut off a piece. So here goes it. Goes very well together. Not as nice though as a mince that I made the other day, but it's also very nice. Cheers guys, love you all, till next time.